What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. All right, you guys, so the next stock that I'm breaking down is AMC. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're on the daily interval. This allows us to see the trend that we're in. It allows us to find our support and resistance lines. About the lines, I will explain them here in a second. But other than that, let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So we closed at 10.16, only 2% on Friday. Here we are on Monday. We're up almost 6%, you guys. Pre-market, we're 10.67. So if we look where we're at currently, you guys, we are above this trend line. So that is always a good sign. On the RSI, does it look like we're oversold or overbought? We're right here in the middle. So that's another good sign. We look at the volume. Volume looks beautiful. Volume looks good. The only thing that I do not like as of right now, you guys, which could be a huge key factor, even though we have all these things checked off on our checklist, we are right here gapping up or moving into prior minor resistance, you guys. So that's like getting into buying in and then there being a wall right there. So this basically works as a wall, you guys. It's going to work as resistance. It has trouble breaking past this area, and this level can be tested by looking left. We have an area that's been rejected here, over here, over here, and we have this hammer stick candlestick working as a floor on the opposite side, and then these top levels and the bottom levels are our this top line represents our major resistance level, and that can be tested. You can see that we gapped up into this resistance area, pulled back into it, trying to create a breakout. Ultimately, it was too strong and rejected it back down underneath our minor resistance here. And then down here is our major support line, and that also going to be tested. This is the level that's been tested multiple times. This candlestick wick ultimately bouncing off this level, pushing this candlestick over here. We have these two candlesticks on this side, and then we have about 3 or 4 either bouncing or reacting over here. So all these levels have been tested, you guys. These are heavily tested areas. So like I said, even though we have all of these things checked off, we are kind of overextended. We're up almost 6%, and then we closed 2% on Friday. We are due for at least a minor pullback. If not, the other option that we're looking for is just to break above this minor resistance, that being at the $11 mark. If we can break above this $11 to come up and come back down and retest this as a floor, that would be a great buy opportunity there, because what it would do is it would create a higher low. It would break this downward trend that we're in. It would further confirm that buyers are stepping up, and on top of that, it would be the best entry for you to get in. So this is why you guys don't want to have FOMO. The fear of missing out will cause you to lose your account, if not hurt your portfolio. So this is why we always look for the best entries. And as of right now, even though we have all these things checked off, this minor resistance can basically push this up into like where we're at right now, and then reject it all the way back down to our major support level. So if this does happen, if we do come up into this $11 area and then it ends up getting rejected and pulling back, the next entry would be the $7.81 area or the $8 area, and this could be another great entry as long as you have your stop loss below that. Give yourself some wiggle room, maybe below these two candlestick wicks right here, just in case the same thing happens and we have a candlestick wick that peekaboos below and then continues higher. You won't be able to get tagged out immediately. So but other than that, as long as you have your stop loss down here and underneath these candlesticks, like I said, that'd be a good entry here. So those are the two options, you guys. We can wait till we can break above this $11 area, kind of come up just a little bit and come back down and retest this level. So like I said, what that will do is create a upward trend. It'll create a higher low, would still be above the trend line, and that would also give us a better entry. So I hope this video helped you guys. I like to try to make these as efficient as efficient as possible. If it helped any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. If there's any stocks that you want me to break down, put them in the comment box below, and I'll try my best to get to it on the following day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.